Dear students, let's consider these thinking based questions. Fourth, question number fourth, first question. How did the Zatis come into existence? Answer is the origin of Jatis can be traced back to Vedic civilization. It is believed that Aryans divided the society into four castes: Brahman, Kshatriya, Vaishya, and Shudra. Next question is based on higher order thinking skill. Higher order thinking skill. The question is, what do you understand by the discontinuity in historical sources? Discontinuity in historical sources. Answer: historians depend on, you can say, historians rely on coins, inscriptions, architecture, and textual records for historical information. But variety of textual records increased during this period. They slowly, means that textual records slowly displaced other types of available information. This is called discontinuity in historical sources. Now read the next question. Why was the information from the manuscripts difficult to use during the 1000 years? See this answer. During this period, there was no printing press, so the manuscripts were copied by the scribes by hand. While copying the manuscripts, the scribes made unintentional errors. Next question is based on reasoning skills. You know, assertion, the meaning of assertion is a particular statement, and reasoning means uh, think logically. Think logically means you have to think logically about that particular statement. First, assertion A. There was a dramatic increase in the variety of textual records between 700 to 1700 CE, and reason are during this period paper became expensive and sparsely available. Okay, now correct option is A. Correct option is A. And the second assertion A. Archaeological sources available to us include places, mosques, forts, tombs, coins, inscriptions, utensils, tools, weapons, painting. And reason, they give us an idea of the political, social, economic history of the time. So, for this assertion, the correct option is B. Correct option is B. Now, move on last question, that is value based question. The question is, the 13th century saw the invention of paper. A scholar used paper very sparingly, means cautiously. In fact, he washed the writing off from an older manuscript and reused the paper. Do you think during our modern times we too need to understand the importance of conservation? Why? Why not? Now try to understand it. Dear students, as per my views, conservation is the urge and necessity of today. Either 13th century or 21st century, utility of paper and its conservation is necessary. There are several labs to conserve papers. The Paper Conservation Lab is responsible for the safe storage, care, and conservation treatment of the manuscripts, prints, drawing, posters, and other works on paper. Now, students, I have properly discussed this important question related to your LC exercise. I hope you have already understood it and do it properly. Thank you very much.